Hi Danish learner and welcome back. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the days of the week. Here we go. Nummer 1. Mandag. Mandag. Nummer 2. Tirsdag. Tirsdag. Nummer 3. Onsdag. Onsdag. Nummer 4. Torsdag. Torsdag. Nummer 5. Fredag. Fredag. Nummer 6. Lørdag. Lørdag. Og nummer 7. Søndag. Søndag. From top to bottom. Mandag. Tirsdag. Onsdag. Torsdag. Fredag. Lørdag. Søndag. Okay, now you're just going to get the number. See if you can remember what the day is called. Nummer 3. Onsdag. Nummer 7. Søndag. Nummer 1. Mandag. Nummer 4. Torsdag. Nummer 2. Tirsdag. Nummer 5. Fredag. Og nummer 6. Lørdag. Nice, that was the days of the week. Nice, short and sweet. You can pronounce all these words, the endings of these words, day, very similarly to English. So for example, mandag, tirsdag, because the word for a day in Danish is en dag. But with the days of the week, usually it's pronounced in the way that I've done it in this videos, where it's cut just a little bit. It's just it's a pronunciation dialect thing. So the day becomes more like a de, an eh sound, a little bit like the eh in egg in the English word. So you can pronounce these days in both ways: mandag, mandag, tirsdag, tirsdag, onsdag, onsdag, and so on. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, you can donate any amount that you think is equal to the information you found in this video by following the link in the description. Otherwise, you can become a DanishTube subscriber over on my website tasteofdanish.com. Also, links in the description. Thanks and see you in the next one. Vi ses.